Hello here, I'm got an unboxing of this webcam here, yeah, let's start the unboxing. On the sleeve we have Rocketfish 2 megapixel autofocus webcam. Has high definition photo, 8 megapixel, built-in microphone, autofocus glass lens. This is for better quality, so I guess it's a more expensive webcam, and the rest is in other languages. We'll put that to the side. As we open the webcam. The other stuff it shows is comparison. See, this is my old, this is this webcam. That's this one, and then that's going to be this one, hopefully. When I try this out. It also has face tracking. Advanced video effects enables you to add effects if you so care to. So yeah, let's get down to the main package here. And we'll open this up. There's the webcam here, and it's USB as always. Your install disk, which I'm pretty sure I don't need, since I think I can just plug it in and probably get drivers. Looks like a quick install guide. Warranty info. I'm gonna pull this cardboard piece out to see if there's anything under it. Rather be safe than sorry. There probably isn't anything under this. I'm doing it anyways. No, that doesn't seem like it comes out anyway. So that's been my unboxing. I'll have some more info, plus I'll have a recording using this. Thanks for watching. Bye.